Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can add your personal ad account in Facebook Business Manager. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's get started. First of all, open any kind of your browser and search for Facebook Ads Manager. Select the first site and log in with your Facebook account you want to add in the Facebook Business Manager. And after that, click on Start Now button at the top right corner. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to Facebook Ads Manager in the new tab. Also make sure your personal account is selected. You can see that the Facebook Ads Manager is active right now. At the left side of the page, you will be able to see a list menu. This menu contains various action commands that you can use. So now what you need to do is search for the 16-digit code. This code is located in the URL bar at the top of your screen. Either you can copy it from here or you can click on the arrow next to your account name to get your 16-digit account ID, copy it and open up a new tab. Search for Meta Business Tool and open the first available link. Log in with the same Facebook account as that of the Ads Manager and click on Start Now. Here just go over to your settings at the bottom left and click on Profile. Now just select Add Account. As you can see that there are no ads account currently added to the business account. Select Create New and paste the account ID you just copied. And then click on Next and you are done. And that's how you can add your personal ad account in Facebook Business Manager. So that's all for today's video guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.